Hello, fellow adventurers. Are you ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime? We all dream of exploring new places, meeting new people, and creating lasting memories that we can cherish forever. Whether it's a tropical getaway to a serene beach or an adventurous European backpacking trip, travel is exhilarating and full of surprises. But let's face it, unexpected events can happen at any time, turning your dream trip into a stressful situation. That's where travel and event insurance come in to save the day. These often overlooked safeguards provide peace of mind, ensuring that you can focus on enjoying your trip. Knowing you're protected allows you to fully immerse yourself in your adventures and celebrations without worry. Planning a big event like a wedding or a milestone birthday? These moments are too precious to leave to chance. Event insurance is equally crucial, offering protection for your special day. It protects your investment from unforeseen circumstances that could disrupt your carefully laid plans. In this essay, we'll delve into the what and why of travel and event insurance, exploring how they can be your safety net. Understanding these valuable tools empowers you to travel smarter, celebrate safer, and live life to the fullest. Travel insurance is your best friend when exploring the world. It acts as a safety net, protecting you from a range of unexpected issues. These can include medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and more. Imagine this. You're hospitalized abroad facing hefty medical bills. Travel insurance would cover these expenses, saving you from financial strain. Most travel insurance policies offer coverage for medical expenses, trip cancellation or interruption, baggage loss or delay, and travel delays. We've all heard horror stories about vacations gone wrong. A sudden illness, a natural disaster, or even lost luggage can turn your dream trip into a nightmare. Consider Sarah, who planned a ski trip to the Alps. She fell and broke her leg on the first day. Her travel insurance covered her medical expenses, including emergency helicopter transport and surgery. Statistics show that medical emergencies while traveling are more common than we think. According to a recent study, 1 in 5 travelers experience a health issue while abroad. Travel insurance provides financial protection and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on recovery instead of worrying about bills. Event insurance. Ensuring your special day is stress-free. Event insurance is like a guardian angel for your special occasions, providing peace of mind and financial protection. Whether it's a grand wedding, a corporate gala, or a family reunion, this insurance ensures that your event goes off without a hitch. This insurance protects you from financial losses due to unexpected problems, such as vendor no-shows or sudden illnesses. Imagine a sudden storm forcing you to relocate your outdoor wedding reception at the last minute, causing stress and additional expenses. Event insurance would cover the additional costs, saving your big day from disaster and allowing you to celebrate without worry. Key components of event insurance often include liability coverage, which is essential for protecting you from third-party claims. Liability coverage protects you from third-party claims for bodily injury or property damage. Cancellation or postponement coverage, which reimburses you for non-refundable expenses if the event is canceled or postponed due to covered reasons, such as severe weather or illness. And finally, property damage coverage, which covers damages to the event venue or rented equipment, ensuring that any mishaps don't ruin your special day. Unforeseen circumstances. Why event insurance is a must. Life is unpredictable, and even the most meticulously planned events can be affected by unforeseen circumstances. Whether it's a sudden downpour at an outdoor wedding, or a power outage during a corporate event, these disruptions can cause chaos. Severe weather, vendor no-shows, or even unexpected venue closures can derail your plans and lead to significant financial losses. Imagine investing months of planning and thousands of dollars only to face such setbacks. For instance, a couple planning their dream wedding on a picturesque island faced a hurricane threat just days before the event. The stress and anxiety were overwhelming. Their event insurance allowed them to postpone the wedding and reschedule it for a later date without losing their deposits. This not only saved them money, but also ensured their special day could still be perfect. Statistics show that over 30% of couples who didn't have event insurance experienced a problem that would have been covered by a policy. This highlights the importance of being prepared. Event insurance provides financial security and peace of mind, allowing you to relax and enjoy your special occasion. Knowing you're covered means you can focus on making memories. Remember, travel and event insurance are not about expecting the worst, but about being prepared for the unexpected. It's about having a safety net in place, These valuable tools provide a safety net, allowing you to embrace adventure and celebrate life's milestones with confidence. Whether it's a family reunion or an adventurous trip, you're covered. So, before your next trip or big event, make sure you're protected. Don't leave anything to chance. Ensure you have the right coverage.